All right, so it's my first live stream. Let's see how it goes. But pretty much, I've already started to build this website. So what I've done is I created a brand new WordPress environment. I went to appearance, themes. Let me see real quick, and imported the Salient theme. Now I'm uploading all the logos currently. I've also changed the color accents under accent colors to the colors of the brand. And so I am checking to see how it's looking. So the logo is kind of small, so let's go ahead and fix that. So the header navigation, logo styling, logo height. Let's make it like 55 and see how that looks. A lot of people think that you know exactly what you're doing, and honestly, it's a lot of trial and error. See, still too small. Let's go back. Let's make it 70. Save. Let's refresh, see how that looks. Much better, but still too small. Let's go ahead and do 100. Refresh, this should be perfect. Yep, that's good. So, and then now we can see that the background, which was a stock sort of background, I'm gonna have to change this. So I'll get back to that later. Let me go ahead and create the flight. So I have a lot of just like templates sort of set out. So I'm gonna go in and edit the template. So let's go back in here. Let's change this photo out for something else. Oh, let's just get rid of it for now. And there's gonna be a photo there. So let's go ahead and find a photo. Pexels, I like using pexels.com or unsplash.com. Let's do cleaning. So it's a commercial cleaning product that is the only EPA approved solution like Lysol or Clorox, which are the other two brands. However, once you use those products on a surface, for example, a table, the efficacy of it is pretty much runs out soon as it dries. As soon as that solution dries, it's done. Whereas this new product, monofoil, which is sold by Disinfection First, this company, it lasts for up to 90 days, but the commercial product, which is going to be sold, is a diluted version of that, which will last about a week. So I'm just trying to find some. So let's go ahead and download. Can't tell. There it is. It's a huge file, so obviously I'm gonna have to compress it. So let's go to add. Let's pull this up. Perfect. So now we'll go to tools, adjust size. Let's make this a lot smaller. Let's just do it 1200. That should be fine. Command S to save, Command Q to quit. Come down to my downloads folder, drag and drop. And set image. I'm gonna go back and do all the the metadata stuff, so I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Let's see how this looks. Cool, that looks great. It also fits right here. The color sort of matches as well. So how it works, it's not the right color, so there's no orange in our brand. So I put these colors in the settings, so now I can just click right there and it will change to the correct color. Wrong side. Perfect. So now let's go to the next section. So we created a sell sheet for this brand. So we have all the copy and all the information on a sheet. I'm going to show you right here. You can see I am an organized man with everything in order. So let's go ahead and go over here. Let's go to sell sheet. So here's the sell sheet. It has pretty much all the information I need. So, and it's double-sided. So this is the section we did earlier. I'm gonna do this section now. So let me go ahead and Copy that, come back here. Let's take a look at the site and see how this section looks. So obviously this is not gonna work right here, but that would. So let's go ahead and delete this whole section, delete that. Here's the heading. Let's go ahead and add this here. Oh, I just remembered I'm not going to be using split line heading. I'm going to hit this plus sign for the Salient theme, come down, text block. This lets me highlight specific colors and also lets me customize the text pretty much. So unfortunately, I have to type the color in every time and I don't always have it on me. So I just have Photoshop always pulled up and hit OK, hit save, and then preview. While that's loading, I'm going to go back to this, pull this information. So it's 2 paragraphs that will come in handy. Perfect. So right here, instead of doing unordered lists, what I'm going to do is just do a text block in here. And then copy the second paragraph, delete that, duplicate this text block, drag and drop it here, edit, select, paste, save. I want this to be a little bigger. I believe it's in a paragraph. I'm going to do a heading 3 for that, save, preview. Let's see how this looks. Perfect. Spacing issue here, I'll get that fixed right now. Save. Okay. And then need a different photo here. So I actually have a photo that I've been using. It's from their website, but I can't find it. Well, actually, I have it here. Edit, background, delete, add image, click image, set image, save, preview. I built like over 200 websites, 200 to 300 websites. So I guess I'm quick with these themes just because I've used them so much. I use this theme as well as I use a theme called Bridge. It was the first theme I ever bought off of Theme Forest, and there's no shame in your game, man. Like, they're developers that create amazing looking themes that work really well and give you complete customization of fonts, colors, layouts, using their Bootstrap, sectioned theme. They have all these tools available, so why not use them to build a quick and efficient site for your clients? So video lightbox, we don't have video, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Let's look at the next section under it. It's the team page. I don't really want to do that. We have a lot more information, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete the team page. I'm going to delete the split line heading, the image gallery, boom. We don't have clients. I'll leave that call to action, which is this. I'm going to leave that because it looks kind of cool. So let's go back and see what the next section is. So the next section is safe surfaces backed by signs. So let's go ahead and create a space for this. So with Salient, it's really, really great. What you can do is you can hit, don't click that, hit Salient template, and then it pulls up all these pre-made sections that you can just throw in there. So let's look at the content that needs to go there. It's pretty much a big paragraph. It's not going to look very nice just as a paragraph. So let's find a section to get creative with that we can sort of maybe split it up, make it look kind of cool. So let's just go to a general and see if there's anything in here. You see we used this earlier. We deleted that section. We used this just now. So let's find something. That would look kind of cool. So we're going for the clean because it is a disinfectant. So I'm going more for white, a white background. Let's see. I'm about to cough, but I don't have corona. Thank you. All right. This is a lot of it is just to find, okay, this is cool. It's a nice header and a 2-column section. Let's use this. So you just click it, you wait, it loads at the very bottom. So I'm gonna grab that and drag it to where I need it to be, which it needs to be under this. I don't need a call to action under the second section because I have one at the top. So let's preview this and see with everything deleted, right? So I still have to change this background image. Here's the second section, third section, and here's the one we just added. So let's go ahead and edit this to make it fit. That's not it, sorry. Right here, so gradient text. I already set my color gradient for this brand. Here's where the heading goes. So let's go ahead and grab the heading, save surfaces, backed by science. Hit save. Here's the 2 paragraphs that we can cut this giant ass paragraph into. Select, paste. Let's find it good right here. It's about halfway, I believe. Right. Yeah, it's probably good. So I cut it and then paste it. Save, preview. Let's see how this looks. That looks good. So I might come back and add some, maybe change the background on one of these sections. It is looking kind of plain. I might do it on this one right now. So an easy way to do it is I added a gradient to this heading, but instead what I think I'll do is I will make it white. So I'll delete this whole section, gradient text, delete, edit this, make it white, there we go. And then I'll take this text and make it white as well. White, save, edit, highlight, text color, white, save, and then I'm gonna go up here to the main background section and go to background color, and then select a color and preview it. It might be a little messed up, we'll see. And it's not, it looks good. Okay, cool. So I'll probably move this sentence over here just because it's a little wonky. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's white, you can't see it, right? So instead of visual, you can click on text and just select that, cut it, save, move over to this section, text, and then add it to the end. Save, let's preview. That looks great. So, I should have added the background here, huh? Let's do that. Let's fix it. I'm gonna revert this back to what it was and then make this, I think that will look better. Thing is, you never want to get stuck or stuck on one way of thinking. If you look at it and it just doesn't look right for whatever reason, let's go ahead and hit edit. Let's cut that. Let's delete, oh shit, not that. Let's delete this text box. Let's add a gradient text. Save it, save. Let's make this black or whatever it was. Save, edit, background, already did that. Awesome. We'll make this white. But I do want monofoil to be in, we have 2 accent colors. We have this color and then as well as that green. So eyedropper, pick it out real quick, double tap, copy, custom, paste, okay, save, edit. We'll make these white, save, white, save, edit section, background, select color, that color, preview, and that ain't it. So let's fix it. Edit row settings, in container you're gonna do fill with background, preview, and boom, it only extends the background to fill with and keeps your content in the container, which is the margins on the left and right. Monofoil in that color looks pretty bad, so let me go ahead and just make it all white. That looks better. Okay. That looks sick. All right, this is looking, guys. This is looking good so far. Looking real good so far. What is okay? Whatever. Let's go to the next section. If you're wondering why I have food up in Lightroom, it's because I did a photo shoot yesterday of food for another client. All right, cool. Next section. Understanding the current climate. All right, so let's copy that. Hold on, let's think about it. Let's think about this for a minute. So, I definitely need to have multiple pages, even though it's pretty much a company that sells one. It's not one product. They have three products, but it's one solution, and it's monofoil D, M, and X. X is the heavy duty 90-day disinfect and keeps it disinfected for 90 days. D and M are sort of the more consumer and commercial grade. So I want to have multiple pages. I want this to be an in-depth website. So how can I do that based on the section? So I do have a back to this. So this section right here on the sell sheet is talking about their current customer base. It's sort of like a validation of, hey, look at all these sports teams and the LA Metro, they already use this product. So it's a credibility statement, and we're using this instead of a testimonial per se. So you know what? Yeah, this can go on the homepage as well, and then I think I'll put this stuff. Okay, yeah, this is what I'll do. I'll put this testimonial credibility statement and this quote on the homepage, and then I can put our product and the back page information on separate pages. Let's do that. See, just gotta talk it out, man. All right, let's go back here. Let's do edit. There's that. So let's create another. We don't need that second one. Let's create another section. So this is more like I have those logos I need to put on here, so it's more like clients. I probably should not have deleted that section earlier. Okay, well here's the clients, so let me add that. And then there's only 4 clients, so edit. I've actually never used this one, so delete. Does it delete the whole tab? Yep, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Edit, delete, add image. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Auburn. Auburn University. Second client is, we can do the Indiana Pacers. Trying to keep the two college teams sort of separated. Let's do LA Metro. If you wanted a link to their website, you could put the link there, but I'm not going to do that. And then lastly, we can do Notre Dame. Dude, spelling is like hard for me. All right. And I always tell people that English was my second language, but it wasn't. That wasn't supposed to go there. That was here, and this goes up here. So let's see how these clients look. I know I have to still add that section with the text, but because it's sort of, oh, that's hot. So the Pacers is tiny AF, and that's because it is a tiny square. So let's go ahead and fix it. So what I'll do is I'll just make a little square box. In preview, Command K to crop it, Command S to save it, quit. Let's go back here, let's go back to the Pacers, edit, delete, add image, and drag and drop. Let's go ahead and delete this one. Select that, set image, save, preview. Okay, that's better. Cool. Now the section above it. Since this is centered, we can kind of make it like a centered section. So add, nope, that's not it. Salient templates. Let's do like general. Let's just go to all. Find something. I want it to be like kind of big and kind of stand out, like something like that, but not that font. That's kind of cool. I kind of dig that. I can delete this and maybe center this. Let's see if there's anything else I can find. That's cool. I kind of, yeah, no, I don't like that gradient in the back. Wait, do I? Yeah, I do. You know what, dude? Let's just try it. Let's just see if it works. Because that's how this is. Okay, so edit. Let's go here. Let's grab that section, let's paste it here, back, base. Okay, save. Now instead of these 4, I'm just gonna put a small divider. Let's do like 32. Let's do a full width line. Let's go with our gradient color. Let's hit save. Let's see how it looks. Actually, I want to animate it too. Animating it lets it sort of, as you scroll, it sort of appears. Let's reload the preview. Cool, that's loading nice. Cool, I like it. I'm digging the gradient. It creates a nice separation in the section. Let's hit edit. I think it's a little too big, so I don't know why I highlighted it. I'll just do 3, and then let's add a text block with this text. And then I do want it centered, so let's select it, center, and preview. I just realized I haven't saved anything I've done so far, so let me save it right after this. Cool, that looks nice. It definitely needs more spacing above this, and this section needs to come up, so let's fix it. So full width line divider, that's fine. Let me make the thickness a little bigger. I want people to be able to see the gradient. So let's do that first. Okay, I like that. Now let's add a divider. Let's do like 32, no line. I just wanted a space there, so we'll move it up. Now this probably has Yep, padding on the top. So padding is invisible spacing that goes above and bottom of, oh my god, words. It either goes on top or on the bottom or left or right of piece of content or an asset to create spacing. So 7% is a lot. We'll try 3%. And the reason we're doing this in percentages and not pixels is so when your website is responsive, like say it automatically gets switched to mobile or tablet, you don't, the pixels operate differently. So just being like, hey, no matter what, I want it 3% off the edge or 3% separation between the section above it and this one. So it just works a lot better. Thinking of it in percentages, the section in percentages. So that's good spacing. 3% seems, that's still a lot. I might just do none and see how that looks. That's the wrong section. See, it's a lot of just trial and error. It's a lot of just testing. So let's just do 0. Save. Preview. That looks the same to me. Oh no, baby, what are you doing? So let's see, maybe there's something else in here. Could be another, there's a lot of different columns and settings and stuff, so you just sometimes gotta, I'll come back to it, screw it. Okay, so let's look at this again. That looks so far so good. Okay, I really need to change this background image because it's duty. Let's go with a lighter background. Or do we want to go dark? So we'll do lighter since we have color elements such as the logo and the contact us. I can change the color. I can change the color of this heading to that blue. Okay, so let's find another cleaning photo that we can use as the background. I almost want it to be like commercial cleaning. That's a lot. Coronavirus. Why is she so happy? Oh, there she is again. Like, I kind of like these, so let me click on the lady who took these photos and see if she has any landscape. These are all just portrait mode. Here's some. They're all videos. Yo, do you not have any? Okay, here's some photos. But it legit looks like a house. So I don't think that's gonna work for us. This is not gonna work. Oh, it autofilled? Interesting. Ugh, that's not it. Okay. I did use, that was off of Unsplash. So we could go cohesive and try to put Unsplash. I think I did like public PUBLIC transport. What is happening? Here it is. Okay. Oh, dude, I'm an idiot. It should be saved here somewhere. There it is. God, I'm stupid. Alright. Let's go back to the top. Edit. Background. Delete. Add image. I just made that cell sheet recently, so I forgot I had the photo saved. Oh, crap. I should have minimized the size. It's a big file. All right, let's see. All right, and set image. And there's a little overlay, a gray overlay on it, so you can see the background. But what I think, instead of making it kind of dark, what if I go white? That's pink. Why is it pink? Oh, because it's on red. Color overlay, let's make it white and go like heavy. We'll see. Oh, fam, that ain't it. That wasn't the move. All right, let's make it black, and I don't know why I'm doing that. It's color overlay, black, or I can even do that color, and then let's make it medium. Save and preview. Very nice. Okay, I like it. All right, looking good so far. Okay, let's see what's next. I think that's good for the homepage. I pretty much fit all this stuff. I can use these on, so I'm thinking I'll have an about page. So that was the homepage. I'm gonna have an about page. I'm gonna have about, how do I say that? About monofoil. I'll have a how it works. Let's do that. We'll do a about the company, and then damn, this is hard. I'm just on Facebook right now, taking a break. I wish people were actually watching this so you could help me. Okay. All right, let's think about this. Okay, let's do some research. Let's how do you spell Clorox? CHL Clorox? Nope, I was wrong. Okay. Clorox.com. All right. How to Okay, I might do like a how-to page. I want to change that photo too. Let's go background, delete, add image. I want to use the EPA thing on it too, so let's do this. Let's just Photoshop a new image. So there's that. I have an EPA logo somewhere. There's that. Canvas size. Let's make it 1,000. Cool. Let's move this bad boy over. Let's do that and make it smaller. Like right there. Cool. Save as. New folder, web assets. Save. Nope, not PDF. Save as PNG. Web assets. Save. Okay. All right. Let's go back to the web assets. set image and save. Let's see how this looks. Hopefully it's not too blurry because it was kind of a rough. No, that's fine. That looks good. Perfect. All right, this is looking good. Let me update. Cool. So now let me do new page. WP Bakery. All right, backend editor. Let's do about. Now let's do how it works. Let's go to Salient templates. Let's go back here. Cell sheet. So I want to use this information here, but on the back of the cell sheet, I also have all this information. So let's do this. We'll start with the disinfection first plan. So let's find a nice heading. I like that. The two columns. So pretty much what I'm going to do is do that's a big deal because there's only two other, Clorox and Lysol are the only two other companies that have it. So for this company to get it, it's a huge, huge deal. That's not it. Wait, was it? No, that's not it. Alright, let's do that. Let's change this color from, nope, that's right. Ooh, but I want to do the gradient. Alright, save. Let's get rid of that and add a text box. That's where the video was, so let's go here. That's not it. And hit save and preview. Alright, that looks good. Looks different from the homepage. Get started. We'll do a contact us. All right, let's see the next section. So I have this little graphic here and how much is needed. So let's do a how much is needed section, and I'm gonna add that graphic. So with that in mind, isn't this theme cool? It's really simple, and I don't stress out when I'm using this theme. It's just really simple. Interesting. Sometimes it almost makes it harder, huh? You have to be careful in selecting though, because you can't be too stagnant. So you do need some diversity. Okay, so this is kind of cool. It's a tabbed section. Let's see if we have some information. We can create like a, so we can do quantity and so this is cool. We can do these 3 sections in that tabbed section. And we could probably add photos in there. So let's see. Let's test it out. I've actually never used this. Okay, so let's do edit instead of enforcement. We'll do how much is needed, and we won't use an icon. Let's just see how it looks actually in application. Okay, perfect. That looks great. So how much is needed? Then we'll do, what was the last one? Electrostatic sprayer. Wait, that's actually cool. It has a little lightning thing. Hold on. Let me see if I can find an icon for it. So sprayer. No. What is this? Quantity. Let's do like a draw. That's fine. Just needed. Let's delete that. And the last one was need training? Question mark. And training, it could be like a book or a person. That's cool. People linking. All right, so let's go to how much is needed. Clean for 10 days is a good one. Clean for 10 days. And in here, we can put this data and see, okay, look, monofill R. So for this, what you have to do is this a paragraph? Paragraph. Okay, so you gotta code it, just a little bit of HTML. So you create the paragraph tags, and for superscript, you gotta put sub, and then sub, and that's it. Save changes. You can see right here, superscript. Sweet. And then I want the photo here. So I actually don't have that on its own. So that's not it. Where did I have it? I was pretty unorganized. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll copy, duplicate group to new, and I'll do web asset graphics. Sweet. So pretty much I want it to be a square. So under ratio in Photoshop, I'm gonna do 1:1, crop it, then take this. I actually don't need clean for 10 days. I'll delete that. Wait, it's in here. Delete that. Can't do that. Okay. Delete that. What is happening? Delete that. Okay. Jesus. And then let me take the whole thing, make it bigger. And it's clearly out of focus, but it's fine. We'll see how it looks. Actually, I don't like that at all. So what I'm gonna do is go into Illustrator. Here's a nifty trick, man, y'all about to learn. So what I'm gonna do is take I'm gonna take this. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. Okay. We'll do that. About to blow your mind. Image trace. It traces the image. Go here. Click on advanced if it's like that. Click ignore white. Boom. You have a vector. Right. So then I can take it to Photoshop, literally drag and drop. Boom. It's a high-res version of it. Now let me. Cool. Let me do the same thing to the gallon, which is this one. Drop it. Let's get rid of that. Image trace. Under presets, we'll do 3 colors. Sometimes it just doesn't show up. Close. Okay, so that's perfect. So what I'll want to do is now expand. So now everything is a different object. Ungroup. Delete the white. Delete the circle. Delete that blue. Highlight the jug. Let's make it black. Boom, there you go. Easy peasy. And vector. Oh, what the? Perfect. Make it kind of centered. 130, 130, okay. I don't like these lowercase, so character uppercase. Let's change this to Montserrat semi. Same thing with this. Montserrat semi-bold. Let's go ahead and delete that, and delete that. Center everything. So now, let's select those two. We'll go to gradient. Cancel, let's flip, eyedropper to that, go back to gradient, new layer, I want each of those to be separate, actually. So let's do the gallon first, then let's do a new layer, do that, cool. 2,000 square feet needs to come over a little bit. And then the equal sign, I do want it in color as well, so. Cool, all right, done. Save as, web assets, wow. Oh my goodness, words, amount.png. Jeez. Save. Let's go back to the website, edit, delete, add. We'll do single image, add image, web assets, amount, drag and drop. Set image, fade in is fine. Save, preview. See, it's not hard, it's just time consuming. Okay, so because, okay, I see. So I made it a square, right? So there's that section at the top and bottom. So let's go ahead and clear the ratio. Let's just make it this. File, save as. We'll do amount, v2, version 2. Save, save. Back here, edit, edit, delete, add image. amount v2. You know what? Let me clean this up. It'll be easier for me. Cool. Set image, save, preview, and it should be right next to it. Look at that. Cool. So clean for 10 days. Now let's do electrostatic sprayer. So let's go to edit, edit, cell sheet. Let's think of a cool heading for it. Charger cleaning. Yeah, that's cool. Totally not cheesy. Supercharged cleaning. Save. So same thing with that. We're gonna have to do save. Let's delete that. Add single image. Add image. So let's go to spray. Perfect. Duplicate group. We already have that web asset graphics location file, so we'll do that. Let's open it. Let's turn the let's pull the spray out of that layer. Let's move all of the let's move all of these into the gallon. Close that folder. So there's the spray. Now let's just make it edge to edge. File, save as, sprayer, PNG for the transparent background. There it is, sprayer. And then also let me do this, change date modify to most recent, so it'll always be at the top. The asset that I saved. Preview. Cool, this is looking good. Awesome. Let's go to cell sheet, last one. Let's do this one. So edit, that's the wrong one. Need training. Save. I don't think this needs a photo. We can do like a button, like a contact us button. Contact us. Let's do large. We'll do that later. Button color. Let's do the gradient. Preview. Sweet. That looks good. Button's still kind of small. I might make it a little bigger. Jumbo. I like my shrimp. Awesome. New training. Cool. That looks good. And that looks good. I mean, it has all the information needed. I can add like a contact form or something, so publish that. So let me at least go to appearances, menu. Let's delete these two. Let's add that, how it works. Let's save the menu. Now let's pull this up in incognito mode just to so I gotta fix the footer. Okay, let's just do a contact form, and this will be a good stopping point. I can add more stuff, at least deliver this to the client, get some feedback, some edits, see if I'm heading in the right direction. And it was literally however long we were on chat, or however long we were live for, I pretty much started 15 minutes before that. So, okay, last page, let's do a contact us page. So add new. And this is really easy because we can just do a template from Salient as well. So backend editor, contact, add element. Nope, back up. Salient templates. I don't know why I always do that. Do all contact. Cool, we can just do one of these and call it a day. So we'll do edit, contact us, oh, pricing as well. Aha. So we can do a pricing page as well. Let's just finish up this contact us. So this is the information. So let's go ahead and pull this up. South and Central Texas. They don't have an address, so we're not going to do an address. I'll edit it in text. So let's do delete that and everything under it. Go back to visual, preview. So we do want a form, so maybe we can do the form right here, or we can do it here instead of, no, I kind of like the map. So let's do edit, Google Maps, that's fine. Can we do leaflet? Yep, perfect. Let's do a leaflet map. San Antonio coordinates. All right, so let's go. And preview. That's not it. That wasn't it at all. We're in China, folks. Wait, is this negative since it's... There we go. But there's nothing. Can we have like a point or something? Like a... Okay, so I definitely never made an icon for this bad boy, so let's go ahead and take that. Let's ungroup it. Let's take just that. Let's let's group that. And let's go back here. Let's go to web assets, turn this off, go back here, drop it. Nope, wrong thing. Drop it. Okay, let's make this larger. This can be our, drawing a blank right now. Autonomy, hold on. Okay, let's go to gradient, highlight, new layer, gradient, let's do corner up. Okay, deselect file, save as, icon, PNG, save. Okay, pull this up. Set image, add image, preview. Okay, whatever. Let's do, don't got time for this. All right. Edit, let's go back to Salient. Let's go to plugins. Gonna create a contact form. Plugins, add new. Contact 7. Install. Activate. Contact. Edit. Name, email, subject. Don't really need a message. Don't really need a subject. Name, email, let's do well, I can just click this, I forget. Let's do a telephone number. We'll make it a required field. Use this as a placeholder. And I'm gonna do it for the other ones as well. So let's do phone, insert tag, delete text, required field, name, use as placeholder, insert email, required field, placeholder, insert, save. Let's configure this bad boy. Invalid mailbox syntax is used in the reply. Okay, cool. That's fixed. So now let's go back here. Let's publish it so it's saved. So we can also save draft, and now that it's reloaded, let's go to plus. Let's type in contact, save as, preview changes. Boom. There it is, but the placeholder is not there, so I did something wrong. Hold on. See, sometimes I just don't remember all this stuff, man. Contact 7, placeholder. Let's see, I wrote something out wrong. Let's copy. Let's paste this bad boy. So text, yep. Your name, yep. Placeholder. Oh, got it, yeah. So then in quotations, you're supposed to go name, email, phone, and that should do it. Save, edit, preview. Boom. Okay, cool. So let's change the background. I don't want it to be that blue. I want it to be our blue, or purple, or lavender, or whatever it is. Dope. So now let's go here. Let's go to appearance. Let's go to menu. Let's add contact. Let's change this to main menu, save. Cool. Now let's do, let me close this, close that, close that, close that. More food. Okay, now let's do a pricing update. WP Bakery. Pricing. Backend Salient template. Let's go to pricing. So let's look at this because it's in a table format. All right, table format. So we have what is the cost, the two products, and then we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different variables. So let's find a way we can do that. Interesting. So we could technically do the two products like listed like this. Let's do that. Let's see how it looks. Okay, what is all that strike through stuff? I see. Okay, so it's not highlighted. Well, we won't need any of that. So let's go ahead and hit that. We only need 2. So let's change this from free to monofoil D. Let's change. See, it's one price. Okay, that's not gonna work. Horizontal list item, this might work. Preview. Cool. Delete. See, okay, let's figure this out. I'm just gonna do it in columns. I didn't want to originally do it that way, but so instead of using a template, I'm just gonna do it on my own. So I have that main row. I'm gonna create a sub row, and then inside the sub row, I'm gonna create 3 columns. Under here, I don't think I'm gonna put anything, even though it says what is the cost. I'm gonna probably do that as the heading. So let's just do monofoil D, monofoil M. Foil D. Let's make it heading 3. Duplicate, edit, M. Always got a preview. Cool, like that size. Let's add a little divider, line type, small line. Let's change this to the gradient, animate on, and then let's duplicate it here. Let's see how that bad boy looks. Like it. I'm gonna change it though to full line width. to full line width. Save. And then we'll do the preview. Absolutely not. Okay. See, sometimes it's just trial and error. So let's do this 3. Let's change to small line. Let's custom line. Will I'm not gonna mess with this. Let's just save. Small line 3. Let's move on. Wasting time. So I'm gonna add some spacing, right? So I'm gonna do that and change it from small line to no line. Let's make this 32. Duplicate and then paste it. Preview. All right, I like it. Now let's start adding the lists. So let's do text block. And fortunately, these are already in list. So let me just select, not all, just that. Copy, that's not. I just realized the spacing might be off of me doing it this way. It's all right, let's see. Trial and error, folks, trial and error. You can see the stuff's not cheap. And that's because it's effective. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what I'm talking about. The spacing's all messed up. Let's see. No shame, salient theme, table. Oh, look at that. Career opportunities kind of does it. Huh. Interesting. Let's try it. So, salient templates, career opportunities, table, career table. All right. So they're horizontal list items. Perfect. So it's 50, 25, 25. Content 1, monofoil D, monofoil M, I think we found the solution, boys. Edit now. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Perfect. That's exactly what we needed. So let's go to edit. Let's go to the next line. So the next line is quart 2626. Let's go quart 26 and 26. And then we're gonna call to action button. Not one. So let me go ahead and delete those. Duplicate, edit. The next one is gallon 4090. So we'll do gallon, 40, 90, save, duplicate, 5 gallon pail. I'm gonna have to start copying and pasting from this point. No decimals. I don't know why you need a 0. Obviously it's 0. Save. Let's look how beautiful. Let's look. Oh, that's hot. Now that's hot. Yeah, that's it right there, boys and girls. So let's delete that. Let's delete that. Pricing options. Let's put that quote from page 1, this one. Yeah. So some qualifying factors right before the pricing. So they're like, man, that's expensive, but you know, if Auburn University uses it, then programs think that they can't afford it. Truth is, you cannot afford not to. Powerful. Really powerful stuff. Alright. Let's do that. Wait, text align. I need it to be center. Alright. Let's see if it fixed this. Yeah, that works. Alright, let's continue this chart. Edit. 55 gallon drum. All right, 2 more rows to go. $330 gallon tote. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, just making sure. It's only 200 grand. Come on, guys. It's only $500,000. Come on, guys. 3. Save. All right, we're done. Let's check this bad boy out. Okay, let's clear the spacing up here. Kind of want some color behind it. Let's see how it would look. Background color. Save. What is the cost? I mean, we're just testing stuff out here. We're just testing. Yeah, that ain't it, fam. Background, select white. Let's just do clear, save. I'm gonna try putting this on a different row, making that a different color. See how that looks. So let's do pricing block. And then let's do I needed this whole thing, this whole inner row as well. Now let's make this lavender preview. Okay, interesting. 3%. Let's go ahead and make these bad boys white. All right, interesting. Better. Nah, I need it to be white, homie, not 65%. All right, that looks good. Let's do a call to action at the bottom for a contact us. So let's do Salient templates, call to action. Let's do, I don't want an image, I just want contact us today. Let's find some other text here. Let's use that, or let's use, well, what is it? Save surfaces back by signs. Save surfaces backed by signs. I might want to do it all caps, we'll see. That's weak, bro. Why is it so tiny? I don't like that at all. Let's do this. Contact us today. If I make this italicized, then it highlights it in that color. Save. Let's do background. Delete. Background color. Save. The highlight color can't be that. Let's do it that. Save surfaces backed by signs. Let's talk. And I want the button to take you to contact. Yeah, I think I want this in all caps. Services. Let's talk. Let's click. Should take us perfect. And contact took us to the home page. Porque. Got it, because the ID isn't set. So let's edit page. So let's change the permalink. Post name, save changes. So now, preview. Let's talk. Perfect. How it works. Perfect. So let's go ahead and edit. Need to fix all these links. Alright. Let's do the footer real quick. Widgets. We don't really need much of a footer for this site. So let's go to footer area number 1, text. Copyright 2020. Disinfection first. It's my website. All right, let's go back. That's not it. I just realized I can permalink it. I'm an idiot. this button needs to go to this. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull it up on my phone and see how it looks. Actually, I realized I could. Let me hit edit page, and I can view it. No, I can't. I forgot. I'm using a different theme. So let's pull it up on here. So let's select that. Command C. One good thing about Macs. Alright, so the logo is really small and the button is really big. Everything else looks really nice and clean. Let's menu. Let's do how it works. This looks fantastic. Okay, so the menu, I mean, not the, on the contact page, the map, like you can't scroll because it scrolls the map. So let's fix that. Let's fix the heading on mobile and the map. So let's go to appearances. Wait, no, Salient. Let's go to header nav. Let's go to off can. Wait, no, sorry. What am I doing? Here. Mobile, okay, so let's do 30. Let's save. And then let me just refresh on here. It's still too small. Let me just upload its own logo, select. Let's do 50, save. It's not working. Hundred. Yeah, it worked. It definitely just didn't load. Okay, 50, save. Perfect. So the menu on mobile as well, not the menu, but the off canvas menu. Here we go. We're gonna have to edit this. Off canvas menu text. Okay, so disinfection first. Let's go to steal this information. And then that's how when someone just clicks the number, it'll pull up, do you want to call this person? That's how you do that. Okay, so that saves. I'm gonna refresh, check it. That's weird, it don't work. Page design bar. I definitely did it right. It's probably just gonna take some time. Let me. Interesting. Let me refresh this page. Well, I definitely changed it. It's just not loading yet. Probably a caching thing. Let me see. All right. Well, it'll probably load. It's just a matter of time. So let's go ahead and check this out. Let's just see what we've accomplished so far. So logo, nice little hero image, product photo section, how it works, links you to that page. More about the product, some of the clients, and a contact us. So let's go ahead and click this link. That'll take us to this page in the menu, how it works. EPA approved, the plan, contact us takes us there. 3-tab explainer, another contact us. And let's do contact, let me go back, contact us. You see, so that wasn't set up yet, so let's go ahead and set that up. So save changes. We also wanted to get rid of the map, so let's delete that. Let's put a photo here. Let's use this photo that we removed. Preview. I wanted to fill that whole area. Let's do 110. Okay, so I just need a different folder here, but okay. I also need to edit the how it works page for the contact us. So let's do that, edit, contact, save, update. All right, that's done. Let's do an image. Cleaning spray. That looks good. Download, we'll open it, we'll compress it a little bit. Just lower the file size. Let's do 1,000. It also doesn't need to be 300 DPI. Let's do 72 DPI, save. Let's go back here, edit, close, add image. Cool, perfect. Now I don't need to do the 110% max width. So I'll just do 100, save, preview, it should work fine. Perfect. Cool. So update, close, 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 edit, close, close, close. Okay, we're done for now. Oh, I need to change the favicon. Fave icon. It's this little thing, this image right here. So you go to site identity. I gotta change all this to disinfection first. Safe surfaces backed by science. Site icon. Let's do that. Select. Okay, publish. Just in case. All right. Done. Cool. So now we have the icon up here, right here. You can see it. And everything is good to go. Awesome. Cool. Well, thank you guys for joining me on this 2 or 3 or however long we've been doing this quick site build. Oh, it's an hour 40, so 2 hours. But yeah, so in like 2 hours we just got like a site kind of built and set. And now making edits and stuff like that is pretty easy. So I'm gonna send this over to my client and they're gonna tell me what they think. So appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want me to do more of these, I can. But this is just sort of a test just to see how it is.